Hello students, welcome to online classes from KV Rai Academy. I am Arun Pandey. I am going to discuss today class 10 subject biology chapter 1, and the name of the chapter is life processes. But inside chapter 1 life processes we are going to describe about respiration and process of respiration. So about respiration, first of all I have to know what is respiration. So I am going to describe definition of respiration. So respiration is a biochemical process. Respiration is biochemical process because it happens in the living body. So it is called biochemical process. Respiration is a biochemical process in which the breakdown of organic compound takes place in the stepwise oxidation process with the subsequent release of energy inside a living cell. Once again, try to understand what is respiration. So respiration is a biochemical process in which the breakdown of organic compound. Respiration is a biochemical process in which respiration, breakdown of organic compound takes place in a stepwise oxidation process with the subsequent release of energy inside the living body. Inside a living cell, it is called respiration. But oxidation of glucose is not a simple process. It activates and happens inside the human body. It involves a series of stepwise complex biochemical process. In respiration, a complex stepwise oxidation will happen in the stepwise oxidation process. So the reaction occurs under the action of several respiratory enzymes. So all the process occurs in the stepwise oxidation process. So the energy released in the form of chemical substance, that is called ATP. ATP is also called the energy currency of the cell. So ATP is the storehouse of energy for the organism at the time of need. That means at the time of need means whenever and whatever organism requires energy, the ATP provides them the total energy requirement. So the process of respiration occurs in mitochondria, because mitochondria is also called the storehouse of the cell, that is powerhouse of the cell, mitochondria. So after explaining the respiration, we are going to describe process of respiration. Inside process of respiration, there is breathing, gaseous transport in tissues. So about breathing. Breathing is a physical process. Breathing is physical process in which atmospheric air is taken in and forced out of lungs. Breathing is a physical process in which atmospheric air is taken in and forced to rush into the lungs. In breathing, oxygen is inhaled from outside and carbon dioxide is released. In breathing process, oxygen is inhaled and carbon dioxide is released to outside the human body, living cell. And microorganism and some other lower organism absorb oxygen by simple process of diffusion. That means some unicellular organism respire and complete their respiration process with the simple diffusion process. Wherever higher animals breathe through some respiratory organs, that is lungs and gills also. So after explaining breathing, we are going to describe gaseous transport in tissues. That means in this step we will learn how gaseous exchange took place inside tissues. So the oxygen inhaled by breathing is absorbed by the blood in the lungs. Oxygen inhaled by breathing oxygen inhaled into the lungs and that is absorbed by the blood in the lungs. So the RBC is also called erythrocytes. So RBC carry oxygenated, that means oxyhemoglobin, to all tissues. That means RBC, that is also called erythrocytes. Erythrocytes carry oxyhemoglobin to all the tissues of the cells and the body by means arteries. The carbon dioxide from tissues carried to the lungs by blood in two ways. And what are the two ways? First is in the form of biocarbon, that means in the form of bicarbonates dissolved in the plasma. I am telling you that carbon dioxide from tissues carried to the lungs by blood in two ways. That is, first way is in the form of bicarbonates dissolved in the plasma, and secondly partly in combination with the hemoglobin of the RBC. So by these ways gaseous actions took place. I think that this much enough. Thanks.